All right, hey guys, what's up? It's your boy David from Pen Daily. So Xiaomi just launched their newest CC series smartphone yesterday, and we managed to get our hands on one. Look at this beautiful Tiffany blue right here. All right, ready? Let's go ahead and open this up and show you guys. Oh, here we go. I'm kind of excited. This is actually rumored to be a really beautiful. Ooh, look at this. Wow, this is actually the prettiest phone that Xiaomi has ever came up with. Look at this. I'm just gonna go ahead and give you guys a better glow. So it's rocking a triple camera setup with a 40 megapixel primary sensor on the back. On the front, it's rocking supposedly a 32 megapixel camera. This phone is built for taking pictures. All of you people who enjoy taking pictures and selfies and posting on Instagram or whatever, this is the phone for you. It is actually gorgeous. It feels amazing to touch. So for those of you who don't know, Meitu is actually known for, photo taking technology and like all the camera apps and features that they come with. So they're actually going for a joint cooperation with Xiaomi this time to make this new beautiful phone come out. Okay, so anyway, let me just jelly case in this and our pin, and we have, this is likely the charger. Yep, the charging cable. Charges on this side. So I'm guessing there is no headphones for this time. So anyways, stay tuned for our review on this. We'll definitely do like a camera comparison about this guy. Okay, so see you guys soon.
But mankind won't be destroyed. In fact,